Hi, my name is Jade. I am 18 years old. I'm studying at ANSIC College in Social Sciences since 2 years. This program shows us a lot of things, especially about humans' comportments and their minds. I want to go at university to study as a sexologist to help people with their relationship problems and their sexual issues. And for that, I will show you a useful website that's relatable with my field of study, who's sexologist. So it's called Sexology International. It's the second one in the search bar, the address bar, sorry. So here is the website. It's very cute, and it seems like very friendly, and you want to go in it. So I will show you how to use it and how useful it can be. So here you can see four icons. This one is for sending an email. This one is for do a research and not to look around and if you don't know what to do. And this one is for buy some books that they sell. And yeah, so in the top left corner of the screen you can see four icons. It's useful for share the website with some people, some friends, family, I don't know, wherever they are. So yeah, that's it. And here you can see the navigation menu that will help you to go in the blog. The first one is the blog itself. The second one, sorry. They show us like some topic interesting. Like if you have any question, you just have to click on one of them. Like we will see one of them just to see this one. So yeah, it's called 10 Unexpected Way to Improve Your Sex Life. So if you have any problem with it, you just have to go and like read about it. They say a lot of things. They give us some steps to improve it, and it's very helpful. And the third one is the services. Sorry, my computer is a little bit long. So yeah, it's like other events or like two people who talk about it, and if you have once more interaction, here here is the podcast. Honestly, the podcast is not really the most interesting section of the website. So I don't recommend you to go on in it, but if you want to, why not? But the most important things in the website is the blog. And if you want to know more about it, you just have to click on About Us, the first section. And yeah, that's it. To conclude, we can obviously see that the the website is very helpful for my pilot study because it helps us with so many things like relationship, like sexual problem, and it's what it is what makes me really like it, and I hope you will like it too. And if you have any problem and want to talk with me about it, don't hesitate. My name is Jade, and that's it.